back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you for being here and watching the videos. I do truly appreciate it. If you're new, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. Please, if you do like the video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. I love talking with you guys. Today we are going to be unboxing our Simply Earth essential oil recipe box. And this is actually the November box. So it is early, which is awesome, but I can't wait to show you guys. Love essential oils. And I love Simply Earth because they send the recipe card. So they send you oils, and it's 4 oils every month. And they send you the recipe cards of different things you can do with the oils. Because until I really got into the Simply Earth, I honestly thought you just diffused them. But there's so much that you can do with the oils. So it's really awesome every month to get 4 different oils with the recipes and products included to help you make the recipes. So we are going to dive in here and see what is in store for November. And another thing I love about Simply Earth is that every month they choose a charity to donate 13% to end human trafficking, which is amazing. So we are going to open it, and this is what it looks like when we open it. So these are the stickers. They come every month for when you make the item. You can put a sticker on it so you know what it is. And then we have our recipe cards. And then this is what it looks like, everything else inside your 4 oils. And then, like I said, products to help you make the recipes. So let's see what kind of recipes we are going to be doing this month. All right. It's cute. It looks like a little turkey in the leaves. This is Christmas spray. It is, 2-ounce spray bottle. It's let's take a look at our oils first, so then we know what oils we've got and what kind of we'll be going with. So we have wintergreen right here, lemon eucalyptus, pine scotch, and relief. So those are interesting. All right, so for the Christmas spray, it is 15 drops of the pine scotch essential oil, 5 drops of the lemongrass, 3 tablespoons of distilled water, and 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol. Mix all ingredients together in a 2-ounce spray bottle, shake well, and spray around the house as a disinfectant and Christmas air freshener. So that is great. And the next one is an ornament diffuser recipe, and it's 2 drops of the wintergreen essential oil, 2 drops of the pine scotch essential oil, and it says drop essential oils onto wooden ornament and add this Christmassy scent into your holiday decor. And it looks like they sent this cute little rocking horse ornament so we can get a head start on our Christmas stuff. Awesome. Okay. So there is the card. And then the next we have, okay, this is a diffuser blend. It says holiday diffuser blend. 2 drops of pine scotch essential oil, 2 drops of wintergreen essential oil, and then 2 drops of the lemon eucalyptus essential oil. It says add all of your essential oils in your diffuser, turn the diffuser on, and enjoy the refreshing aroma. So, yay. Excuse me. Oh, this is exciting. Okay, Into the Woods charcoal toothpaste. 2 tablespoons of activated charcoal, which we have here, and I love they have warning, very messy. So we have the charcoal, 1.5 tablespoons of the fractionated almond oil, 5 drops of pine scotch essential oil, a 2-ounce white plastic jar. So it says, add all of the ingredients to the jar, shake mixture together until it forms in a ball. You only to use, apply a pea-sized amount to your toothbrush and brush for 2 minutes. And what is great, like the fractionated almond oil, I have a code that I'll put down below for you guys that you can, when you first sign up, you will receive your first month of your essential oil recipe kit box. You will also receive a big bonus box, and what is great, I've done another video to show you guys everything that's in that bonus box. It's got lots of the little bottles, roll-on bottles, little jars. It came with a ton of extra stuff. It came with coconut oil. It did come with the fractioned almond oil. Those are more carrier oils, and a lot of the times you will need them in different recipes. But like I said, my code down below, I will put it, and it will give you your first month with the recipe box, the big bonus box, and a $20 e-gift card for a future purchase. And that's it is $39. So essentially you're getting half of your money back to use on another order, plus the big bonus box that has a lot of the stuff that you need in addition to what you receive monthly to make these recipes. So it is absolutely awesome. So like I said, I will leave a link down below for Simply Earth and the code. I'm pretty sure my code is Southern Mom. Or Southern Mom free, but I'll put it down below for you guys, and you can definitely head on over. Essential oils, like I said, are so amazing, and I absolutely love these fun and different recipes that come every month with the oils, and then what you receive in the big bonus box, you're all set. You may sometimes have to add things, but they're going to be things you have around the house. Like, I know one of these said rubbing alcohol for October. I mean, we're still in October, but the October box, we did cotton balls for one little, it's like a little critter away bag. So if it's not something usually in the big bonus box or your monthly box, it's going to be stuff you have around the house anyway. So, but here is the card for the toothpaste. And here we have Ache Relief Roll-On. And it's 10 drops Ache Relief Essential Oil and then almond oil. And it says, add essential oils to roll-on bottle. Fill the rest of the way with the almond oil. And that was the thing, is in your big bonus box, you got the fractionated almond oil, and then you got regular almond oil and the coconut. So it comes with a lot of the stuff. Those, like I said, are carrier oils. And then it just says, apply to soothe aching muscles and joints naturally. And again, the big bonus box comes with like 6 or 8 of the roll-on bottles. So it's great. So here is the card for that one. And then the very last one, ooh, a purified and exfoliating charcoal face mask. You will need 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of almond oil, and half a tablespoon of activated charcoal. And then it's a small jar or other similar container. Okay, so you add the cane sugar and activated charcoal to the jar, seal, then shake the jar to combine the sugar and charcoal powder. Mix the almond oil and essential oil before adding to the jar, because it does right here say optional that you can put 3 drops of the pine scotch essential oil. Shake jar to combine, and then to use, massage a small amount on clean face to exfoliate. Use as needed. So how awesome is that? That's what I love about Simply Earth, is it's not just you know, diffusing oils. It's a variety. I mean, we got toothpaste, a face mask, an ache relief, you know, a cute little ornament that we can put the stuff on and, you know, make things smell amazing. We did get a blend recipe for the diffuser, and then the Christmas spray, which is also a disinfectant. So I think it's absolutely awesome. And you know, if you like essential oils or you're new to essential oils, this is such an amazing way to get more familiar. Like I said, the big bonus box, if you use my code, once you first sign up, gets you a lot of the basics that you need, and then each month you receive the 4 different oils, the recipe cards, and then any other, like the charcoal. You know, nobody's probably got just charcoal laying around. So they send you those things, and then, like I said, maybe some like sugar, cotton balls, rubbing alcohol, stuff everyone has anyway. So it is just a great, great way to learn more about the essential oils, and then, like I said, the recipes just guide you. It is so worth it. And again, with my code that I will put below for you guys, you will receive your first month of your essential oil recipe box, the big bonus box, and a $20 e-gift card for a future purchase. And I'm telling you guys, it's so awesome. I absolutely love this subscription, and it has opened my eyes a lot to what essential oils can really do. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like I said, the link for Simply Earth and the code will be down below. So I hope you go try them out, give them a shot, you know, see if you like it, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'd be more than happy to answer. If you already get the subscription, let me know what you think. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I will talk with you with the next video. Bye.